participation. Relevant participation means that everybody has a voice. You may not like what I have to say, but it's really important that I say it. It's important that you hear it, and it's important that you put it in the context of what we're talking about, because I may represent a different perspective, and my history and my experience in my community may be very similar to somebody else, but yet different. So I think it's really important that what I have to say and how I say it is taken in consideration, but also that we listen and we understand and that we share respect for each other. When I think about combining and collaborating and coalescing around the issue, that means that all of us bring something to the table, and that the issue is important to all of us, even though it may not have the same value to me. It still could be a very important issue, and that I need to know where you stand, you need to know where I stand, and then we share those different perspectives, identify what we agree on and those goals, but also know where we disagree, and then see how can we fine-tune those disagreements so that we can reach one accord. The last one, I guess, is building a community of practice. Community of practice is really just thinking about problems, but also policies, practices, and procedures that we have to address whatever the issue might be. If we're going to try to think about getting students with disability ready for the world beyond high school, what does that look like? It may look very different in your community than it looks in my community. But if all of us get together and bring those different community perspectives and think about what's in the best interest of the groups that we serve, then I think we really can be doing a very valuable process to the community. We can do a very valuable process to the students that we serve, and then we all can say, okay, now what does this mean? Well, in community A, might be the goals. In community B, this is the goal. In community C, this is the goal. And we all have little steps that reach the same goal, but our process of getting to those goals can be very different. So I think the community of practice is that all of us wearing different hats, coming together, but working towards a common goal that's what's in the best interest of the students that we serve.